Open your browser and navigate to aistudio.google.com. Sign in with your Google account to access the main dashboard. Once you're in, click the Image Generation option. On the central panel, click the Model drop-down menu and select the latest Gemini model that supports image generation, such as Gemini 1.5 Pro. This ensures you are using the most powerful version of the AI for high-quality visual outputs. Now, choose the aspect ratio, like 16:9 or 9:16. In the main prompt box at the bottom, type a detailed description of the image you want to create. For example, enter a futuristic cyberpunk city with neon lights and flying cars, high resolution, 8K. Press the Run button or hit Control-Enter on your PC. Wait a few seconds for the AI to process your request and display the generated images in the chat window. If the image isn't exactly what you need, type a follow-up instruction like change the time of day to sunset or add more rain to the streets. Google AI Studio will update the image based on your feedback. Once you're satisfied, hover over the image and click the download icon to save it to your device. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.